Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to all in grade 7th. I'm your maths teacher. This is first lecture of mathematics in 7th class. First of all, I will give you introduction of your maths book. This is the title page of your maths book, Oxford New Countdown, second edition for grade 7. Today we will start chapter number 1, operations on sets. In this chapter, you will learn about sets, representation of a set, types of sets, cardinal number of a set, symbols used in sets, then operations on sets. This topic will be discussed in second lecture of chapter 1. Properties of sets. This topic will be discussed in third lecture of chapter number 1. Okay, what is a set? When you think about set, what comes in your mind? Just think about set. A set is a group or collection of well-defined objects. Here we have 2 points. Number 1, group or collection of objects, and the second point, objects must be well-defined. For example, a set of first 5 natural numbers, set of crayons in a box. Notation of a set means to say how we will write a set. Capital A, capital letters we will use for set name writing. Curly brackets we will use. Suppose we have set of first 5 natural numbers, so how we will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 within curly bracket. Okay, a set is denoted by capital letters as you can see in above example. The objects of the set are called members or elements of a set. In above example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the members, or you can say elements of a set A. As you can see, all elements are written in curly brackets and separated by commas. In set notation, elements are not repeated. Students, it's a very important point. For example, a set of letters in the word banana. Then set A will be B-A-N within curly bracket. Remaining A and A will not be written in curly brackets. Reason, in set writing, elements are not repeated. Okay, one element written only once. Okay, in definition, we have used the term well-defined. What it means? The term well-defined means no ambiguity or no doubt. For example, set of first 5 natural numbers can be easily represented as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 within curly bracket. Whereas, if we consider a set of interesting books, here the term interesting books means different books to different people. This term is not clearly defined. Here it doesn't form a set. Okay, next topic is representation of a set. It means how many ways we can represent a set. A set can be represented in 3 forms. First form is descriptive form. In this form, we will just describe the set. Okay, nothing more. Just we will give the description. For example, first 5 natural numbers. Okay. Second form is tabular form. In tabular form, a set will be written with the elements of the set directly. For example, set A will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 within curly bracket. Okay. Above example, we have discussed in tabular form. In tabular form, proper elements of the set will be written. Next form is set builder form. As in a set builder form, a set will be written as a rule. We will consider any variable, then we will give the condition for that variable. For example, set A is equal to X. We consider elements as X such that these two dots we will read as such that X is a, now we will give the condition. X is a natural number, as you can see, and X is less than 6. Okay, you know very well about natural number sets, 1 2 3 4 5 and up to so on. There is no limit. We will give the condition first X is a natural number, and then we will restrict till less than 6. Okay, so same example we discussed in all forms. Next topic is types of sets. There are many types. We will just discuss the types which are given in your book. First type is empty set. A set which do not have any element is known as empty set. It is also called null set. Empty set is denoted by this sign, and this sign is called phi, or read as phi. We have example, set A equals to integers between 0 and 1. Okay students, you know there is no integer between 0 and 1. We will get empty brackets, or you can say phi. Next type is finite set. A set with finite number of elements, or you can say countable number of elements, is called finite set. For example, set S is given 1 2 3. As you can see, there are three members or three elements, countable members. So this is the example of finite set. Then next type is infinite set. A set with have infinite number of elements is called infinite set. For example, X such that X is an integer. Students, you know the set of integer. It will move till infinity. If we consider positive integers, it will move till positive infinity. If we consider negative integers, it will move till negative infinity. There is no limit. We can't count the members of this set. That's why we will say this is the example of infinite set. Then we have set B. In set B, elements are given 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and dotted line is given. Dotted line means to say it will move till infinity. There is no end. We can't count the members of the set B. That's why it's also an example of infinite set. Okay, next type is disjoint sets. Two sets are said to be disjoint sets if they have no common elements. For example, set A and set B are given. You can see there is no common elements. That's why we will say A and B are disjoint sets. Then overlapping sets. Two sets are said to be overlapping